Hello everyone. So it's very happy to meet you all again. So the mark which is marked on the skin, in that particular place we are going to do the patch test now. So as you all explained, the person who is new to our channel, who doesn't know what is patch test, please refer to our previous channel. You will get a clear idea what is patch test. And now the process started, and we are making a gradual improvement over there, and we are matching the exact skin tone of his actual skin. As you can see, the process is so smooth and clear. There's no bleeding, there's no much swelling, nothing. It's equally matched. And as you all know, this is the one and only method to bring the exact your skin color back. This does not require any of the medications or injections or longer duration of treatments, nothing. Our procedure is, first you need to go ahead with the patch test on particular place in your body. So once the patch test got successful, you can go ahead and proceed with the remaining places in your body. And many of them used to say that it's like micropigmentation or tattoo. No, it's not tattooing, man. It's completely different from that, and it is we doing it only in the Bangalore branch. We are not doing it in any other branch as of now. So it's available only from the Bangalore branch from our senior head artist, Mr. Suresh Machu. He can able to do it. Every other artist cannot able to do this. To match the exact skin color of your existing color, it requires the special skill. So he is the head artist, only he can do it. And we are getting a clients from all over India and from other places also, like Canada, London, and in India, Punjab, Kolkata. So from all over India, people are coming and getting it done from Bangalore. Some people who couldn't able to get the patch test done due to the travel and all the things, or due to they have the time constraints of that, they are getting it done on the whole body in the first sitting itself. So that is completely depends on your own risk. So if you would like to do it, then you can do it, but there are chances it may not come out. So that's why we always recommend you to go ahead with the patch test first. And many of them get this doubt that shall I proceed with the whole body places at the first time itself without going to the patch test. Patch test is nothing but we'll choose the particular size of the place in your body and we'll test that. So whether that output comes, or whether your melanin layer is accepting or not. If your melanin layer is accepting, then it's completely fine to go ahead on your remaining places of your body. So that's why we do that patch test. But if you are a person thinking that I don't want to go ahead with the patch test, so I'm ready to take a risk and I will go ahead with the single setting whole places of my body. Yeah, no issues at all. You can go ahead. You can do that. So that is also we can do it, but it's on your own risk, as we mentioned earlier. And precautions are much more easier comparing to the other treatments. Many of the clients, as I'm seeing, when they come for the treatment, they have done before the skin crafting as well as the Unani treatment, and then the micro needling treatment, some plastic surgery. All those are crap. It will not give the best output, because I'm seeing many clients in front of me, and I'm seeing the clients like how much money they spent wasted and how much time they spent it's got wasted. So we are all seeing that on a daily basis. So don't go ahead with other treatment. These kind of skin crafting and it will not gives the best output. Some people are doing this phototherapy also. Phototherapy makes your skin more darker. It will not make your skin much more clearer. So it will make your skin more darker. On the normal places also, it will be looks like scar. So don't do that. This one, there is no side effects, there is no allergic, nothing will be happen. If your skin accepted, you will get the output. If your melanin is not accepted, then you will not get output. White color skin will be come back. These are all the two outputs there is a possibility of in this. As you can see, we have finished its end of the video. So it's perfectly matched the skin tone. There's no swelling, there's no bleeding, there's no pain at all. So if you want to have more information about this, contact us in the above mentioned number. Don't die nude.